Understanding the phrase, Pigeon Racer. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, Pigeon Racer. It's not just about birds or a sport. There's more to it. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned to learn all about it. At first glance, pigeon racer might seem like a straightforward term for someone who races pigeons. And you're right. Pigeon racing is a sport where homing pigeons are released, and the one that returns home in the shortest time wins. It's an activity that has enthusiasts around the world. However, in English, phrases often have more than just a literal meaning. They can have connotations or be used metaphorically. If someone is referred to as a pigeon racer, in a figurative sense, it might imply they are engaged in a hobby or activity that is considered unusual or niche. It's a way to describe someone with a unique passion or pastime. Now let's put it into practice. If you're describing someone who has an unconventional hobby, you could say, John is quite the pigeon racer. He collects vintage typewriters from the 1920s. Remember, it's a light-hearted phrase and should be used in a friendly and informal context. It's also important to understand that pigeon racer can carry different meanings in different cultures. In some places, it's taken literally and with great respect, considering pigeon racing as a serious sport. In others, it may not be as well known and could be used more playfully to describe someone's quirky habits. That wraps up our exploration of pigeon racer. Whether it's about the sport or a metaphor for someone's peculiar hobby, it's a phrase that adds color to the English language. Hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now use pigeon racer confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!